Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect many forms to one Jotform Tables. This is incredibly useful when you need to consolidate data from multiple forms into a single, organized view, making it much easier to analyze and manage all your submissions in one place. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct login details handy so you can access your account without any issues. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard where all your forms and data are managed. Now look toward the upper left of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it to proceed. This section is your central hub for managing all your forms, tables, and submissions. It's where you'll be doing most of the work for this task. Next, click on My Forms from the menu. Here you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Find the form you want to edit and check the box next to it. Once you've selected it, look at the top of the page and click on Submissions. This will take you to the Submissions page where all the data collected from that particular form is stored. In the upper left corner of the Submissions page, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Table. Then click Next to move forward. This is where you'll begin the process of connecting multiple forms to a single table view. You'll now see an option that says Connect to Form. Click on it, then hit Next. This feature allows you to link additional forms to the same table, which is exactly what we're aiming for. You'll be presented with a list of all your available forms. Select the form you want to connect from the list and click Next. This step is crucial because it determines which form's data will be added to your consolidated table. Make sure you're selecting the correct form to avoid any confusion later on. Now you'll see a screen displaying all the fields from the form you just selected. You can choose specific fields you want to include in the table by clicking on them individually, or if you want everything, simply click Select All. This gives you control over what data appears in your table. Once you've made your selections, click Create. The system will take a moment to process this and generate the new tab with the connected form submissions. After the new tab appears, click on each tab name at the top of the page to confirm that each one shows submissions from the connected form. This verification step ensures that your forms are properly linked and all the data is displaying correctly. You should see submissions organized by form, making it easy to review and compare data across different sources. And that's it. You've successfully connected multiple forms to one Jotform Tables, giving you a streamlined way to manage all your form submissions in a single organized location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.